The Piaggio Ape 42147 alternate model MOC by Technic Projects is a delightful creation that showcases the versatility and creativity of LEGO Technic. This MOC offers a fresh take on the Piaggio Ape, transforming the original set into a charming and detailed alternate model that will captivate builders and collectors alike. One of the standout features of this MOC is its impressive resemblance to the real Piaggio Ape. The builder has masterfully incorporated key elements of the iconic three-wheeled vehicle, including the distinctive front design, compact size, and overall shape. The attention to detail is remarkable, with thoughtful touches such as the open cargo area and the realistic front windshield. These elements come together seamlessly, resulting in a model that is instantly recognizable and visually appealing. The functionality of this MOC is worth noting as well. The steering mechanism allows for smooth maneuverability, adding an interactive element to the build. The cargo area at the rear can be opened and closed, providing ample space to transport small items or LEGO accessories. The inclusion of these functional components adds an extra layer of playability and enhances the overall enjoyment of the model. Building this alternate model is an enjoyable experience from start to finish. The instructions provided by Technic Projects are clear and easy to follow, guiding builders through each step of the process. The build techniques employed are inventive and showcase the builder's expertise in utilizing LEGO Technic elements effectively. Assembling the Piaggio Ape 42147 alternate model will provide hours of immersive and satisfying building time. In terms of aesthetics, the MOC shines with its choice of colors and attention to detail. The combination of white, black, and gray elements captures the essence of the Piaggio Ape, while the addition of decals further enhances its authenticity. The overall sleek and polished appearance of the model makes it a standout piece for display. Whether you are a fan of the Piaggio Ape or simply appreciate well-designed LEGO Technic models, the Piaggio Ape 42147 alternate model MOC by Technic Projects is a fantastic addition to your collection. Its accurate design, functional features, and enjoyable building experience make it a standout creation. This MOC showcases the builder's skill and creativity, and it is sure to impress both builders and enthusiasts. Get ready to embark on a rewarding building journey and showcase this charming Piaggio Ape alternative model in your LEGO display. Have fun building.